One of the specialized GPTs that you can utilize is the math solver. So to explore that out, you need to go around onto the explore GPTs section, and over here in featured section you can see the math solver right here. You can also scroll down and find the math solver around over there, or you can go around and type in math solver right here in the search bar around over here as well, and you can see that you can go around and access this right here. So now let's say, for example, I can go around and ask what is the area of a circle right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, then what happens is that it simply goes around and then adds in the formula, as you can see right here. So now let's say let's just go around and say give me solution to a square plus b square right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, then what happens is that it simply goes around and then gives me the solution to that right here. So let's just go around over here, and then let's just go around and then paste this out right here. So so now I'm going to go around and say I meant to say let's say, for example, square plus b and square, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, then you can see that it actually goes around and takes this formula right here and then gives a step-by-step solution right here. So if there's any mathematical problems right here, then you can simply go around and give it to like this. You can also say something like, now convert the decimal number into binary, then octal, and then hexadecimal right here, just like this. So now I gave it an option right here. So this is the decimal number. So now it is converting everything into binary with steps, as you can see right here. And now it is converting the decimal into octal right here, just like this. And now it is converting it right here, just like this, as you can see right here, to hexadecimal, just like this. So this is what you have, and now you get all of the solutions over here, just like this as well. So it gives the key concepts and everything else for the mathematics solutions that it did as well. So that is how you can go around and then utilize the math solver option inside of ChatGPT. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.